Hello everyone, Zero635 here. I'm currently on a call with DD underscore Richard1, and today I have a repaired box from him. And it says refrigerate, do not freeze, so I need to go put this in the freezer, because I'm not sure what's in here. You want to say anything to the people that are watching this?
This is a repair package.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Awesome. Gift or two in heaven.
Alright, let's see. Alright, the box is open. Let's see, what do we have in here? We have a stick. That's a nice looking stick you put in there, Don.
Oh, thanks. It's not my stick. It came with the item.
Yeah, this is actually, he actually didn't send this on purpose. This actually came with one of the repair items, so I have to ram this back inside. That sounded really wrong. We have $5. Yeah, there's a $5 bill in here. This is actually real, not fake. Oh, there's another $5 bill. See, so here's the fee. Repair fee is like $10. Okay, we have a big dog. Oh my, this thing is freaking huge. I thought this thing was small.
It's cool, isn't it?
It looks adorable. Poor dog. Yeah, if it.
Ears, put in the mouth, moves, and he like sort of looks down.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, okay, so the ears are like move independently. That's cool. Reindeer doggo. Alright. We have that.
I'm not good with some fixing it, so I figure why not give it to you? Maybe you can get it working.
I might end up making a repair video on that one too, once I get the time. Oh yeah, we also have used step pads. We have one that he crumpled up. Ah! My phone fell. There you go. We got another step pad. I have another used step pad to add to my collection of step pads. We have another one. We have the well, actually, wait. This is the cover of a step pad. This is the actual step pad, which now I have a cover. Not cover. Oh, it's broken open? Wait, was there? Oh yeah, there is no sensor in here. This thing was cut open already.
Well, you know what? If you have a sound sensor and a cord, you can make your own.
True. That could probably make this into a wallet and just confuse the hell out of people. Here we have this talking. Oh my god, this thing looks. What in the world? Here we have the talking skull head that goes to the opposable Reaper, and the screw just fell out from it. That's lovely. Oh, let me see. Taking good.
You can see the neck where the stick would go.
Yep, I see it. I see it.
That lock just broke off. They shoved a stick in their front yard up there.
My god. Alright, so there's that. So the issue with this one, guys, is it does nothing. It's somehow, in quote, dead, but I'm pretty sure I can get this working. I mean, look how derpy this thing is. It's like, where are me lizards? Lizards! I don't know. I'm so sorry you're witnessing this, Don. Oh yeah. Oh, so this was the fabric you're telling me about. It's that plaid-looking thing, and it's leaving a mess on my hands. God, it's like disintegrating all over the place.
Yeah, you don't need to use that, obviously. I just figured I didn't want it anymore, so I figured out.
Okay. And then here we have... Oh my gosh, she is hideous. Oh, and another screw. And a plastic... Wait a second. A piece of plastic just fell off from the bride.
Is it a big piece or a small piece?
It's a small piece.
Okay, well that's good.
I don't see where it came from, but I'll figure that out shortly. Oh yeah.
It's a neck.
It doesn't look like it came from the neck.
Oh, I guess the neck's still intact.
Oh yeah, it's still intact. Yeah.
Okay, goodness. So you can see how the skeleton is supposed to look from the bottom.
Yes, I see that. I can see that. Oh my god, half heads. Wow. Good job, Jemmy. Good job.
There's no screw in the battery compartment, so if you want to just go ahead and open that up to the pry, and you get a general sense of the contact.
Alright, let me just open up the Velcro. Oh yeah, that looks really bad.
Yeah, that top spring actually broke in half.
Yeah, it actually happened to me before with a few robots that came corroded. I was trying to clean them, and next thing you know, the screen just the spring breaks off. All right, so yeah, that shouldn't be too hard. So I guess, oh man, something else fell off. It also looks like some parts of the fabric need to be stitched like back together. So I'll have to get my mom to help me with that. And another screw fell off.
I just threw the screws at the bottom of the box. Who knows where they ended up?
Let's see, we got 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws, 4
All those screws good go. The skeleton head, I think there's one of them with a washer or something that goes in the front.
Alright. Alright, so I got all the screws out. So we have like, yeah, we got a big screw and the rest are like medium to small screws. Oh god. And other than that, that's all the screws I found. Alright, so issues with her, battery contacts are corroded and does not work, as far as I remember. And sure, she has stuff in her hair. That's gross. So there's her. Then we have the skeleton dude. Didn't her screw just fall off? Okay. He
There's
does.
all the screws in his head, so that's why like the back of it's ripping off and the jaw kind of open.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And the problem with this one, as I mentioned before, does not do anything. So as Donovan told me that there's a few wires off from this thing, so possibly.
But I'm pretty sure like when I opened it up, the speaker was just completely in there, so everything was just thrown around.
Okay then.
Badly taken care of right back.
Yeah. Oh wow, so the fabric tooth thing is already somewhat coming off, so this shouldn't be too difficult. Okay then. Yeah, these should be.
I've already opened back the head. I put the speaker back in the spot, but
Okay, yeah, I can feel it. It's starting to come apart in my hands. The entire thing is just wanting to fall apart. So there's that. So I had to repair those 2 items for Donovan, and then of course the dog and the step pads he gave me for free. Although this thing just looks really adorable. Although if anyone's wondering, yeah, the neck is broken. It's like,
it's funny that it's the one gear that's not split into the neck, yet it's like snapped off.
wow, the irony.
The ears move, the ears split, the mouth just doesn't move at all.
Oh yeah, the mouse is stuck, and I do hear some pieces rattling from the inside. So hopefully, the mech for it isn't, destroyed.
You'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll get to this one last. Alright guys, so this was an unboxing with Donovan. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Zuru635 and DD_Richard1, and I'll see you in the next video. You want to say anything else before I stop recording?
Like and subscribe.
Hey.